suitable for framing. That's not who I'm after. I've got a bad feeling. Much longer.
Okay, I'm heading to the hospital now. I need to check on that lead.
Thanks, Anya. Good luck, all right? Sergeant Phoenix! Backs coming in here like this.
Doubt it has anything to do with courage. They just don't realize they've been sent on a suicide run.
Maybe they're just desperate.